Good evening, all. Webinars I thought were really convenient, but today is first time this kind of a situation has happened. I do apologize on behalf of ANMI. Of course, we've been doing a series of webinars which are which kind of is easier to kind of connect to most of our Pan India members. But today it seems to be giving us a little bit of difficulty. But nevertheless, we have now started, and I suppose everyone would be able to hear. I would request everyone to keep it on mute, and question answer session will be at the end. And you can kind of send all your questions, and I will read them out, and we will answer them at the end. So let me just introduce today's panel. We've got 4 people on board. Mr. K. Hari, who is the CBO for NSE. He has consented and graced this occasion to be part of it today. Mr. Shrikant Pandit, who is the MD for FinPost. Mr. Diptiman Chaudhary, who is Head of Strategy and Sales FinPost. So without wasting much of time, I would like to request Mr. K. Hari to give his starting remarks, and then we can take this forward. Just to give a quick official intro of Mr. Hari. Mr. Hari, I'm sure most of people would have kind of connected with you at some point in time. He's been in NSE for almost about 22 years or more. And he's been in different from equity, derivatives, currency. He's associated with the capital markets, surveillance operations too. And currently, of course, he's the Chief Business Officer at NSE. Over to you, Mr. Hari.
Thank you. Thank you, Kamlesh. Thank you very much. Good evening, all of you. As we said, we are happy to have all of you here, because in these times, I think webinar is the best way to reach out. So this is all because of what we have issued a press release some time back about discontinuation of Now, and then we had a webinar with all our participants as well, wherein we told all of you this because of some circumstances why we have to do that. At the same time, we also said that we will do hands holding, and we will get vendors who can present you solutions in front of you. I think, and we had a session last Saturday which we missed, and we are here today. The idea is to get as many people as possible in front of you, so that you can take informed decisions. Please go through the presentations of each and every one, see the features of what all vendors are offering, and at the same time evaluate what best works for you. We are there in the background. As I said, that we are always there. You can reach out to us directly or through ANMI. The idea is to help you and cross over this situation what we are in today. So once you go through the presentations of all the participants, you will come out with some queries. You will come out with some clarifications, and we'll be more than happy to address that. But as the first promise, what we have said is that to put all the participants in front of you, so that all of you can take informed decisions. So thank you very much, ANMI, again, for allowing us to be here. And if there is any specific queries, please bounce it across to us, and we will take it all the queries together. And with these words, I leave it to the guys to take it over from here. Thank you very much.
So thanks so much, Mr. Hari, for your kind words. The only thing is that as we have most members keep asking that will the 13th September deadline. So I keep telling the members that let's take it as and how it comes. And as you rightly said, that ANMI has taken this, and we're going to do seminars all through the week, and even probably next week, showcasing almost about four other vendors too. And then members can make an informed decision and informed choice. So without much ado, let me introduce Mr. Shrikant Pandit, who is the Managing Director for FinPost. Mr. Shrikant Pandit is the founder and Managing Director for Omnisys. Also, the key products of Omnisys was Nest, if members would remember that. And he was part of an order, trade, and risk management MS solution which he had given to all the markets. NSE, BSE, MCX, NCDX.
Excuse me, hello.
Yeah.
Your voice is not clear, sir.
Okay. Can you hear me now? Is this
Okay.
good?
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So, Mr. Shrikant Pandit is the founder and managing director of Omnisys Technology. And I am sure people would have used his Omnisys Technology product, the Nest, and which was covering most of the segments of NSE, BSE, MCX, and NCDX. The company was later on sold to Thomson Reuters in 2013, and Thomson Reuters until 2016 was he was the company director in Thomson Reuters until 2016. Later, as a consultant for another 2 years until 2018, and now we would want him to share his vision of FinPost and how members can benefit from the FinPost product, which is the front end and also back end. But today we are specifically looking at the CTCL front end product. Over to you, Mr. Shrikant Pandit.
Yeah, thank you, Kamlesh, and good evening to all of you. Thanks for attending this webinar. I wanted to share our vision for the platform in a few words, and then I will hand it over to someone to take you through the presentation and also a short video of the product itself. And subsequently, we will spend some time to answer a few questions and then probably take the remaining offline one-on-one whenever we can catch up. So the vision has been to continue to provide a platform which is cost effective, which will be pay per use, which will be full featured, which will have multi-asset, multi-venue, and it is going to basically ensure that people can go on using the features and pay for it as they go along. So we are starting this platform with the front office, which as a continuation of what was there on now. And going further, we have plans of adding additional services and products to make it full featured, so that the requirements of the community who has been using now are met. And things like client onboarding and the immediate services and products that we are planning are client onboarding and back office, which we are trying to achieve by 1st of April 2021. We in the platform are also looking at automating routine tasks, which normally are done by the back office staff, to like things like uploading, downloading of files from different sources, sending reports to various participants in the market, like your clients, and your compliance reports to statutory authorities, and for MIS reports for your own use. So all these we would like to try and automate as far as possible, so that the routine work is taken out and you can spend more time on your business, earn more, and then share a little bit of it with us. So over to you, Diptiman, for the product.
So I will just kind of quickly introduce even Mr. Diptiman. So Diptiman is going to give us and make us aware of the functions, features, and requirements of what this software is all about. He has a very interesting blend of technology, management, and sales in his skill set. He's an electronic engineer by education and a software professional in financial technology space for almost 15 years. He has taken up turnkey assignments with companies like Thomson Reuters, Financial Technologies, and many more. Over to you, Diptiman.
Hey, thank you, Kamlesh ji. Good evening, everyone. We really thank you for joining us today to see the launch of FinSpot products and technology, which we are going to show you. मैं हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में बात करूंगा जिससे कम्युनिकेशन इजी रहे, सबको कम्युनिकेट करने में आसानी हो. So what we say is we take care of your technology and you take care of your business. So that is the motto behind this. तो अभी सबके मन में जो सवाल चल रहा है वो ये है कि NOW जाने से क्या बदलने वाला है. What is going to change for everyone as a broking entity. So the fact is कुछ भी नहीं बदलेगा. आप जैसे NOW को यूज करते थे आप उसी तरीके से इसको यूज कर पाएंगे. और मतलब हम लोग ने कोशिश की है कि सारी चीजें जैसी थी, बिजनेस विल रिमेन एज यूजुअल, देयर विल बी नो चेंजेस एज सच. सिर्फ आपकी एक EXE चेंज होगी जो आपके डेस्कटॉप पे लोड होती है. सो नथिंग विल चेंज. सो रिस्क मैनेजमेंट विल रिमेन द सेम. आपके जो फाइल अपलोड्स होते हैं बैक ऑफिस के थ्रू, दैट विल ऑल रिमेन द सेम. देन योर द वे यू ऐड मॉडिफाई एंटिटीज, जो आप अपने यूजर क्रिएट करते हैं और यूजर्स को मैनेज करते हैं, दैट ऑल विल रिमेन ऑलमोस्ट द सेम. और जो ट्रेडिंग टर्मिनल है वो भी वैसे का वैसा ही रहेगा. एंड सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि जो पोर्टेबिलिटी है, द डेटा पोर्टेबिलिटी, सपोज आपके यूजर्स है, आपने 100 यूजर्स क्रिएट किए हुए हैं, अगर आप हमको परमिशन देते हैं तो हम आपके यूजर आईडीज एंड पासवर्ड्स को भी हम माइग्रेट कर सकते हैं सिस्टम के अंदर in a secured manner, so that आपके यूजर्स को ये भी नहीं पता चलेगा कि they have modified the product. So everything remains the same, lies goes as usual. Okay, so why you should look at FinSpot, you know, so the reason is we offer huge flexibility and scalability. जब मैं flexibility की बात करता हूँ तो उसमें कुछ key points है जो हम आपके लिए लेके आ रहे हैं. एक तो easy adaptation है, ये कोई नया प्रोडक्ट नहीं होगा आपके लिए. आपके लिए ये लगभग वही रहेगा जो अभी तक आप ट्रेडिंग करते आए हैं. फंक्शंस की सेम रहेंगे, फीचर्स सेम रहेंगे, और आपको ना ही कोई आईटी इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर आपको डिप्लॉय करना है. आपको जो भी आप अभी तक करते आए हैं नाउ के साथ, दैट ऑल विल रिमेन द सेम. एंड देयर विल बी नो एंट्री बैरियर्स बिकॉज देयर इज नो हार्डवेयर, देयर इज नो आईटी टीम्स रिक्वायर्ड टू रन दिस सेटअप. दिस सेटअप विल रन ऑन इट्स ओन the way it happens for NOW. And one very big change which we are bringing is, you know, themed and white labeled front ends. So normally क्या होता है जब when you are using a platform like NOW and all, उसमें कुछ limitations होती है कि आप अपने schemes, अपने themes, अपने logos, अपनी white labeling, अपनी branding आप ये सब नहीं कर सकते हैं. और हम इस चीज को बदल रहे हैं. हम आपको पूरा ओपन ऑप्शन देंगे जहां पे आप अपने थीम्स, आप अपनी ब्रांडिंग, आप अपना लोगो, आप अपना सब कुछ, आप अपना पर्सनलाइज्ड ब्रांडिंग कर सकते हैं without, you know, taking help of any APIs. Or because, you know, when you get APIs also, then again you need technical expertise to, you know, integrate on top of those APIs and recreate a new system, which will not be required in this case because everything will be, you know, given to you on the fly, which you can use at your own disposal. Okay, and then there will be a lot of new functionalities will be given to you, definitely because it's a new product. So definitely there has to be a lot of new functionalities which are mainly risk based, जिसमें RMS के काफी सारे नए फीचर्स होंगे जो अभी तक आपने नहीं देखे होंगे एग्जिस्टिंग सिस्टम्स या प्लेटफॉर्म्स में, एंड जो कि बेसिकली आपको बिजनेस स्केल करने में काफी हद तक हमें उम्मीद है कि हेल्प करेगा. दिस विल सर्टेनली हेल्प यू in scaling up your business and, you know, acquiring new customers. And everything can be managed centrally. आपको कोई भी distributed setup में काम नहीं करना पड़ेगा. And also you can have, you know, distributed control over operations and risk. आप जैसे user level पे आप चाहें आप उसको risk enable कर सकते हैं. आप उनको सारी authorities दे सकते हैं branch level पे, franchise level पे, you know, at different levels. And you know, सबसे बड़ी बात ये है कि ये जो फ्रंट एंड टर्मिनल हम आपको देने वाले हैं वो बेसिकली मल्टीलिंगुअल होगा, जो कि काफी फिलहाल 2 भाषाओं को सपोर्ट करता है, हिंदी और इंग्लिश को. और हमारी कोशिश रहेगी आने वाले समय में हम और भी भाषाओं को उसमें ऐड करें जिससे रीजनल प्लेयर्स के लिए ईज हो, उनके कस्टमर्स के लिए ईज हो. So that is something we are looking at very seriously, to personalize the terminals where you have a multilinguistic capability on the platform, and people from regional places can also trade. So we will give regional languages for people to connect and trade on the system. So it is a full reimagination of what we have been doing so far. So these are the exchanges typically which we will enable you to connect to. In exchanges में आप trades कर सकते हैं. And when we could talk about features and tools, there will be market data, RMS, trading tools, external links you can add. And there are three modes of end user to connect. One is EXE, which is a desktop EXE, जो कि आप अपने desktops पे load कर सकते हैं, fully fledged dealing terminals. Then there is a web-based terminal and there is a mobile-based terminal, जो कि हम आपको आने वाले कुछ मिनटों के अंदर दिखाने वाले हैं. We will show it to you. And this platform is a highly scalable, highly versatile platform, and we have made it on a very secured architecture. So this is the typical architecture how the system works. And there will be a lot of powerful product features like single integrated RMS framework will be there. Then it is highly scalable of distributed architecture, because आप लोगों को पता होगा, you people are already aware that NOW was done by the same team who has done this product FinSpot also. And we have taken care that even if your business scales to very high levels also, we are there to support all kind of loads, all kind of functionalities on large scale platform. Then it is completely a secure framework while you connect through internet, because security is of paradigm importance to all of us. We all know how important it is when you are dealing in money. Then there will be a comprehensive web and mobile trading platform along with investor clients and dealing terminals as well. And for dealers, we have a EXE front end, and for active traders also we have the same front end. And also, for the first time on a shared platform like this, we will be supporting synthetic order types, exotic order types like your bracket orders, cover orders, and all that. So you need not to worry about all these features which are offered by some large or a limited set of members, but you can also now offer these to your end customers and enable them to trade on these synthetic order types. So the key benefits, this is very quick to start. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ हमें करना नहीं पड़ेगा, जैसे आपका business चल रहा वैसे ही चलता रहेगा. Very soon we can go live. This will be highly cost effective in terms of onboarding customer, and this is a solution which can be scaled up without investing a lot of money. Easily scalable. आज आपने 100 user connect किए, tomorrow you want to add another 100 users. This can happen very fast, and this will be purely pay as you use model. We will share pricing model in the coming weeks. We will definitely distribute the pricing, and definitely I can assure you all, the pricing will be highly competitive. It will be a new shift in terms of pricing in the market. On the existing platforms which are available, definitely it will be much more cost effective in all the methods and possible means. So also this will support all multi-assets, multi-exchange trading. Then it is a completely managed solution. You need not to worry about EOD, BOD and all that processes. Everything will be taken care by a professional team of FinSpot. FinSpot will manage everything for you. You come, you create customers, you trade, and continue with the business. We take care of the rest. That is our promise. And best part is that it will be a fully functional, fully featured. It will be a full featured product. There will be no curtailing of functionalities or features. All features will be enabled to you. White labeled, आपका logo, आपकी branding, your logo, your themes, everything can be set on top of this without any extra cost. Let me be sure about it. Let me assure you about it. So what do you have to pay? So anyways, it will be a tailor-made pricing model fitting everyone's individual needs. And we will come back with the pricing very soon. From now onwards, in next 7 days time, we will introduce the pricing structure. And I can assure you, the pricing will be highly competitive. Maybe one of the lowest in the industry. and definitely, it will help all of us to scale the business, and we become a partner in your growth. You grow, we grow along with you. So now I will start with the demonstration of all the three platforms which we have created for you. And post this, we will have a brief Q&A session, question and answers, where we can answer questions pertaining to the product answer available. So for other functionalities of the product, we would love to do that. So the first product is for dealing terminals, which is for high frequency traders. We call it Noren Trader NT. And so now we'll start the demo for Noren.
We will begin with the market watch. We will first.
Is the audio audible to everyone, Kamlesh ji? Yeah.
Yes, yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I'll start.
In between, it just dropped a bit, but we could hear your full presentation.
Sure.
We will first add a cash symbol into the market watch named NSE. If you see here, Tata Steel EQ is added into the market watch. We will now add an NFO contract into market watch. We first enter the symbol and then instrument. We can enter expiry date or strike price as well, which will speed up the search. Similarly, we will see CDS symbol in quick search. You can see a list of future contracts. We will also look into MCX. You will be able to see all gold symbols in the list. We can switch from quick search to normal search by unchecking quick search. Since instrument selected is EQ, list of all securities under EQ series is shown. Next, we will move to snap quote. Hitting F6 on a script in market watch will invoke the snap quote window. Snap quote can remember 5. We will begin with the market watch. We will first cash symbol into the market watch named NSE. If you see here, Tata Steel EQ is added into the market watch. We will now add an NFO contract into market watch. We first enter the symbol and then instrument. We can enter expiry date or strike price as well, which will speed up the search. Similarly, we will see CDS symbol in quick search. You can see a list of future contracts. We will also look into MCX. You will be able to see all gold symbols in the list. We can switch from quick search to normal search by unchecking quick search. Since instrument selected is EQ, list of all securities under EQ series is shown. Next, we will move to snap quote. Hitting F6 on a script in market watch will invoke the snap quote window. Snap quote can remember 5 recently seen symbols. We can check the market depth of those 5 symbols by clicking on right or left arrow. We will next move to normal order placement. Clicking on F1 from market watch or snap quote will invoke the buy order form. We need to tick on AMO to place an aftermarket order. Available products are shown here. Clicking F2 will invoke the sell order entry form. Shift F1 will invoke the buy cover order entry form. A limit or market buy order and a stop loss sell order with predefined trigger price will be placed. We also have trailing stop loss for cover order. Shift F3 will invoke the buy bracket order form. In addition to stop loss order, a take profit order will be placed. In the order entry form, we can view the market depth as well, which shows bid, ask, LTP, and other details. We will now place a buy order, see the log messages and the order book. OMS order ID is shown on successful placement of order. Recent log message will show the order status, and we can also see it in order book. We will now modify the order so that it will get traded. Traded orders can be seen in order book with status complete, and also the same is shown in the message log. We will next look into positions and RMS settings screen. We have predefined workspace which has these windows present. Clicking on apply will load the same. We can see positions window, which has details on symbol, mark to market, quantity and value. Below screen shows clients available cash and margin used. We will next see add, modify, delete entity screen. You can search for an user or account with name or ID. Typing the user ID and clicking on search will give the user's list, matching the search criteria. Selecting user and clicking modify. Modify user details screen will be invoked. Similarly, we can search for an account and click on modify to invoke modify account screen.
On a 24-hour basis, just to give you a sense of where.
This application supports a variety of themes. From the settings menu, we can change the theme as per user preference, which is shown here. We are showing the market watch, order book, and log messages with different theme. The last selected theme before logout will be retained for next login. Thank you.
Okay, so everyone, this was the dealing terminal. Now I will take you through the web platform, which we call HyperTrade. This is a web-based platform for investor customers who can connect over a browser on a desktop.
Let us see HyperTrade on the web. The idea of HyperTrade is to completely redefine what a web-based trading system can be. For the very first time, you need to enter your user ID, password, and either your PAN or date of birth. You can now set up a PIN so that you can log in quickly next time. If you are logging in from the same browser on same device, just entering your PIN is enough. You can see a console-based design with support for multiple workspaces. HyperTrade gives you the power to create the trading system of their choice for every one of your users. You can see the order book, holdings, trades, and positions, all on separate tabs right on the main page. Let us create a new watch list and add stocks to it. We create a watch list named Market and add TCS, Cipla, Tata Motors, and Tata Chemicals to it. Now let's add a few banks. Hovering your mouse over any item in the watch list shows you the possible actions you can do. Here, you can buy, sell, or see the info about TCS. This is the buy order screen. You can see the depth information at the right. The moment you place an order, you can immediately see the status of the order you just placed. See all orders in the order book with HyperTrade's intelligent quick filters. Just one tap to see all your orders in TCS, and you can reset all filters just by clicking all. If you want to filter based on multiple criteria, it's just as easy. Just tap on the criteria you want, and the filtering is instant. Choose as many criteria as you want, and HyperTrade intelligently combines the criteria to show you exactly what you want to see. And from anywhere in HyperTrade, you can place orders. Let's buy some more TCS from the order book. If you want to see everything about TCS, just hit the information button for TCS. HyperTrade opens up everything you would possibly want to see about TCS on a separate workspace. You can see charts, quotes, depth, news, technicals, and other information. You can even see any component in full screen mode. Here is the full screen chart of TCS. You have powerful technical analysis capabilities at your fingertips. And you are not limited to one stock. Add as many stocks as you want. You can also see the stock information from watch list. HyperTrade offers a plethora of widgets that you can add to any workspace. You can add any widget to current workspace or create a new workspace from the HyperTrade mega menu. Clicking on Option Chain creates a new workspace with the Option Chain widget. Clicking on the plus next to Depth adds the Depth widget on the same workspace. Let's move Option Chain elsewhere so that you can see both Option Chain and Depth at the same time. You can add multiple widgets or can add the same widget multiple times, however you want. From any widget, you can access the search icon and change the instrument on that widget. Let's change the Depth widget to show depth of ACC. You have 4 workspaces open. Now let's open News as a new workspace. Let's add the Volume Shocker widget to Workspace 1. The flexibility of HyperTrade is not just about workspaces and widgets. You can also change other aspects of the application to suit you. From General Settings, you can switch to Dark Theme. You can change the interface language. Currently, only Hindi and English are supported, but we will add more options shortly. For those using HyperTrade from touch devices and tablets, HyperTrade also has a touch mode option, which makes screen elements slightly bigger so that they are easier to touch. Thank you.
Now I will take you through the mobile device video. And here we go.
Welcome to the HyperTrade mobile app. The very first time you use the app, you need to enter your user ID, password, and either your PAN number or date of birth. Once you log in, you will see the option to set up a login PIN and optionally enable touch-based login if your device supports it. Set up the PIN and enable fingerprint. Now, let's log out and log in using fingerprint. Again, let's log out and check out PIN-based login. The starting page of the app is the watch list, where you can monitor the real-time market data of all the stocks and securities you are interested in. Touching any item on the watch list shows you an overview of that instrument. You can also see the depth of the stock. You can buy, sell, or see the details of the instrument from here. This is the buy order screen, and you can tap depth to get an idea of the depth of the instrument. When you place an order, you can instantly see the status of the order on the next screen. Tap on Orders at the bottom to see all the orders placed by you. HyperTrade offers intelligent quick filters that allows you to quickly find the order you are interested in, and you can even select multiple filters at the same time. Tapping of all resets all filters and shows you entire order book. Tapping on any order shows you details of that order and allows you to modify or cancel the order. You can even place another order for the same instrument from here. The trade book shows you all your executions, and you can convert your position from margin to delivery here. Tapping Portfolio at the bottom shows you your holdings and positions. Again, HyperTrade's quick filters allow you find what you want with a single tap. You can see all details of your holdings and positions here, including option to convert your position partially. HyperTrade also incorporates full-blown information, charting, news, and analytics. Let's search for TCS and see the details. The stock details screen shows you depth and quote details. Just tilt your phone to landscape mode to see HyperTrade's powerful charting capability with comprehensive technical analysis features. HyperTrade scans the news across multiple websites, and a powerful AI engine categorizes the news to see which stock is mentioned. This allows you to see news relevant to TCS from multiple newspapers and websites inside HyperTrade. If you want to read the full article, HyperTrade takes you to the actual website where you can read it fully. You can also see market statistics for cash market and for derivative market. Here is the scanner page where you can see which stocks meet the criteria that you select. Here are the volume shockers amongst the Nifty 50 names, where price is up and volume is also up. Check out the global news feature, where you can scan for a keyword and see all news about that keyword. Let's see what Jio has been up to lately. This is the events and corporate actions page. You can see details of upcoming splits, bonuses, dividends, results, board meetings here. Now let's see some of the other features of HyperTrade. From the settings screen, you can shift from light mode to dark. If you are comfortable with some other language, HyperTrade has you covered, and there will be many more languages soon. You can see how everything in the app has been changed to Hindi, again, without having to log out or restart the app. Thank you.
Okay, everyone, thank you for your patience and watching the videos. There were a couple of questions which I got to see. I'll answer them one by one. Okay. So the one question we got was whether our product works on iOS and Android devices. Yes, they do work on both the devices, and so all kind of iOS and devices are supported in this. Secondly, Mr. has asked a couple of questions. How many members are currently live? So a couple of members are live through the in-house member route. They are using the product. And then again, there was another question, some BOD, EOD process being automated. Yes, all these processes are automated. And so we'll share a complete way of how to do that. In the coming days, we'll keep some more presentations and demos one-on-one basis as per the as per the need of the customers. We will definitely do that. And again, there was another question by Mr. Choksi. What does the member need to do to move to FinSpot from their current vendor? Is it a normal process? So definitely it will be just like NOW. We are taking blanket approvals from the exchange for giving you a seamless transition, and you need not to host any servers or anything needed. No audits needed. Everything will be taken care by FinSpot. So that is all the questions. And
in the same question, does a member need to have a server?
No, they do not need to have any server.
So that means there'll be no yearly audits, no cyber security.
No. We will manage everything on behalf of the members.
Okay.
So for BOD, the foundation of time will be like, so you can upload multiple files during the day. There will be no bindings on that. We'll give you a file uploader utility. And yeah, payment gateways, Mr. Suresh, payment gateways can be integrated. Your existing payment gateways can work with the product. Okay.
Is
So charges.
One more question that just came up: is FinSpot an empaneled vendor?
Yes, we are getting our empanelments in place. So yes, we will be an ASP model only.
Another one that's there is, do we need to subscribe for the news channel individually?
No. You need not to. We will be providing. those services.
Time of file upload.
Time of file upload is like we can the member can decide that, and also there will be a file uploader utility given to them which they can use at their own liberty.
Okay. Does FinSpot have a presence in Kolkata, and where all does FinSpot have presence? Can you just?
So, sir, today, you know, everybody is global, and currently we operate out of a very small city in the heart of the country in Madhya Pradesh called Jabalpur. Currently, we are operating out of that place, and you know, telepresence and everything is available in today's time. You know, so anyways, we are talking about a hosted model, so physical presence. But anyways, if any kind of
So
assistance.
centrally, centrally everything is done from Jabalpur.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh.
We will be doing everything from here. Yes.
Okay.
Mutual platform, yes, we are going to offer that soon. In fact, as a roadmap, April 2021, we will provide you a similar hosted model for back office also. People who wanted to go on that, even they can go on this. Yeah, auto square up option will be available. Auto square up option will be available. And CTCL, so yes, it is a CTCL software. So you can connect through this as a CTCL software.
There were two questions. We just what are the charges? I think you're going to come out with that, right?
Yeah. So for charges, we will have to come back, you know, within a week's time. But I can assure every member, everybody who is watching this webinar,
It'll be
the
competitive.
prices, yeah, they will be the lowest in the industry.
Okay.
Yeah.
And after that was bandwidth and speed.
Oh, definitely. You know, we will be managing the bandwidth and speed. Definitely, we have a industry standard. You know, we were the first to set industry standards of, you know, lowest bandwidth with highest speeds. So I can assure those all prevailing features will be there. We will consume the lowest bandwidth and we will
Okay.
give the highest speed. Yeah.
Are you providing service as an ASP model?
Yeah, it will be an ASP model. So system audits are not required. That will be taken care of.
Okay.
Yes.
Interoperability question mark. There is a question. Did you understand that, or should we skip it?
Yeah, we do understand interoperability, and that will be that will be supported by the platform.
Taken care of. Yeah. Okay. Can we put institutional orders? And
Yes.
how about custodian confirmation? So institutional orders are yes.
Not yet. They
Yeah.
are in the process.
We are in the process of, you know, putting that up, and we will set that up. Our first priority is for the retail setup. Once retail is up and running, and then it will come on this.
Your servers will be located in Jabalpur?
No. They will be hosted out of some CMMI level 4 data center, predominantly in Mumbai.
Okay. All exchanges will be available. BSE
Yes.
also, right? So NSE, BSE, MCX, all of them.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Will trading terminal have the facility to set up top gainers, losers, and most active? I think.
Yeah, certainly.
Sure that.
Yeah.
Okay. Pop-up message on M2M alert.
Yeah, everything will be there. And what we are planning is we will be releasing some detailed videos. We will share those links on our website within a week's time, wherein everybody can go on the website and, you know, they can check all the features, functionalities, and even if some other people want to copy and create those functions in their platforms, they can do that as well. There is no problem.
Okay. Are you keeping systems in AWS cloud or private cloud?
No, so we are
Technical,
we will be creating our own infrastructure, which we have already started doing, and this will be based out of a CMMI level 4 data center, wherein, you know, all the security measures, all backup, standard backup procedures, everything will be followed.
Okay, great. Do AMO orders go automatically or manually? Or we have
So
to do it manually?
So that depends on the exchanges, because normally a lot of exchanges treat AMO orders as algorithm trading. So that is subject to exchange approval. Those things are subject to exchange approvals.
Like crude prices, I suppose negative pricing of crude is taken care of, I guess. That's the question, it seems so, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, system audit, I think we've answered this earlier. We don't need a system audit.
Correct.
Do we need to apply for exchange IP separately? No, right?
No.
Why
No,
so?
so one more thing, there are members who are using exchange lease lines also. So we will support lease line, we will support internet also, and we will tell them the process of migrating the lease line point B. So that can be discussed on a case-to-case basis where members are connecting through lease line circuits basically.
Fair enough. Where will the servers? I think we've taken that question. Historical chart
Yeah.
are
So those-
available, right?
yeah.
Back office is not something that we are taking today in detail, so I think we can skip that question. In Bangalore, I found FinIndia. I think that is not yours. Okay.
No,
FinIndia has no connection with you, right?
no, I haven't heard about them.
No. Right. Will RMS be rule based?
Yeah, certainly it has to be rule based. Definitely it will be. It is a very highly flexible RMS. Anyways, in the coming days, we will be putting up videos of RMS, and we are going to launch couple of industry first RMS functionalities, which is not available as of now. In
So
other
will you be giving the API also for customization or something?
No. We are giving, see, normally what happens, we are talking about minimizing your efforts in terms of managing IT. So when we expose APIs, then it is a next level of challenge. So, but the main use of APIs is basically white labeling, doing themes on the product. So which anyways we are enabling. And we hope that, APIs will not be needed as of now. That's what
Okay.
we believe. But as and when needed, we can look at those on a case-to-case basis.
Our client trade confirmation send online?
Yeah, certainly that can be configured. There
Okay.
is no problem. One gentleman has asked that, over if FinSpot over FT Omnis. See, we are not here to discuss other products, but we do not know, what other products are offering. We can only talk about our product. So we are not skipping the question. See, honestly, we do not know what others are doing. We can tell you what we are doing, and how we can help in
So,
scaling.
Diptiman, that was one of the reason I skipped the question because we don't have enough time to sit and compare
Really
two
nice
products.
question. People would like to know because they are high-end existing players who already enjoy a lot of market share. So it's a
True.
perfect question.
Do you provide SLBM and
As a segment,
smart order routing?
Yeah. So that's what we said. Even we are offering synthetic orders also in the system, which others are so far not giving actually.
Okay. Can we see the RMS part of your software like margining, margin setting, client creation, etc.? Do you have all of these RMS features off now?
Yeah.
The features because we can always see it at a later point because we are short of time today. But yeah.
We will be conducting those sessions very soon. That is why my contact details are there on the screen. And case-to-case basis, we will keep on aligning these sessions for respected members. And definitely, we are open to their suggestions, ideas also, which we will do. Margin trade funding, that feature will be available in the RMS, Mr. Maheshwari.
API for Python trading?
Sir, as I said, APIs, we are not focusing on the APIs in the phase 1. Probably going down the line, we might look at them. Currently, no. Currently, we are not supporting APIs at all.
Okay, there's one more question that, nowadays, if it's an Alt F6, we get an outstanding net position for the full expiry. Is that feature available in your software?
Sir,
or it's only for the day?
No, we are giving customizable keys and all that. So people can go ahead and customize the keys for all the relevant reports they want. So there is no issues with such things basically.
Okay. Historical charts, we
don't charge anything for historical charts.
Yeah.
And certainly we can do live demos. There is no problem. Case-to-case basis. So we would love to do those demos actually.
Okay. For technical charts, will be available for how many years? And data will be provided on system for how many years?
So on the horizon, 5-year historical charts will be there as of now.
Okay. Okay. What about the MTF trade?
Margin trade funding will be available.
Available. Okay.
you want to say something?
Yeah,
Yeah.
no, we can take the list of questions and then probably give the responses individually to the brokers so that.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, because there will be many questions,
Yeah.
and probably in such a short span of time, it won't be possible.
Okay.
Yeah. Algos, Mr. Murarka is asking about algos. Algos, see, it all depends on the exchange directives. So we can look at those things on a later stage. Currently, we are only focusing in converting, hand holding and converting customers who are coming from Now platform, so that they can go live on the FinSpot platform as of now. So that is our priority right now. And as and when we go deep in the product, so definitely we can look at different options which are available.
We'll take the questions and address them one by one individually, because
Okay.
there'll be a lot of them and
Yes, the questions are pouring in, and a lot of them are no duplicate, but yeah, nevertheless. Okay. So, do we want to take a couple of more and then close up on it?
Yeah, sure. We can.
Okay.
two more.
Okay. So, do you have a good to date order?
Yes.
And do you have an equity SIP facility?
Yeah, that can be given.
Okay. Okay. As far as live demo, I think most people can connect to him directly and take a live demo, which will be more exhaustive than the brief one that he's given today. And we'll be able to answer more questions there. So I would suggest people to take the email ID. Is email the best way, or your number would be the ideal way to kind of connect?
Email contact@finspot will be the best way, and even my mobile number is there. Because so this is a group ID. A lot of people are tracking it in our team. So our response times will be much lesser on contact@finspot.in.
How much time will it take to go live?
So we are doing the first phase of it, where testing phase is going on with the server setups and all, and we are trying to close down in the end of July. We are trying to put the pilot sites live.
You may be aware that 13th September is the last date for moving out of Now.
Early August, we just 1st of August is first week of August is something we are focusing on to do mass migrations basically.
Okay. How many scripts can be saved? Is there a number of scripts that you can save in one market watch?
These are all admin defined functionalities which an admin of the company can, they can.
From your side, it is N number.
Yes.
Okay. IPO segment. Do you have an IPO segment in it?
Yes.
Okay.
Whatever segments are offered by the respected exchanges which we have mentioned here will be available.
Okay.
Yeah, we can take any other question we'll take on
this thing. Yeah. I must thank both of you, Srikanji and even Diptiman, who has kind of answered most of the queries. And of course, we had to be brief. Once again, sorry for the inconvenience to start late, but I'm sure people have noted Diptiman's number and even the contact detail @finspot.in. Please do connect to him and take things forward. Thank you. Thank you so much, Srikant.
Yeah, thanks, Kamlesh.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Thanks.